Hello, my name's Chad from ProSteamUK. Right now we are at a customer's house. We're just about to seal their brand new Antico flooring that was laid by Simply Carpets and Flooring only last week. Now the adhesive has had time to cure, the floor is ready to be sealed, and we have about 25 square meters here of beautiful Antico. And you're probably wondering, why should I get my flooring sealed? Well, the simple answer to that is it's going to prolong the life of the flooring, and you need to protect the floor from day one, ideally. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to apply our quality matte hard seal, which is a product only available from Dr. Schutz. Okay, and once we've sealed this floor, we will then supply the customer with all the necessary maintenance products to maintain that floor on a daily basis. So as you can see here, we have the cleaning products, an instruction manual, and also a mop and a refill. Okay, the plan also has other benefits. If you have carpets and upholstery in your home, we also offer a discount. If you take on the plan, we offer a 10% discount on all other services that we provide. Also, if the unfortunate thing was to happen where you were to maybe scratch the floor, we will arrive at your house hopefully within 24 hours, and we will fix that scratch. Okay, that's 2 inclusive emergency call-outs per 12 months. Okay, we are the only people currently offering this level of maintenance plan. So if you're thinking about replacing or adding luxury vinyl tile to your home, the only place that you will be able to take full advantage of this maintenance plan is if you were to purchase your flooring from Simply Carpets and Flooring, who are based in Camberley in Surrey. I'll add all the information to the link, to the description of this video, so you can locate their shop. Thanks very much for watching. What I might do is come back to this video and just show you how the floor looks once we have applied our Secura matte hard seal. Now at the moment we've just deep cleaned the floor, and there is a little bit of a sheen to it, but that comes out the factory looking like that. So you'll be able to get some idea of how the floor is going to look once it has been sealed. Okay, so we'll come back to this in a short while. Okay, so we return back to the Antico flooring, which has now got 2 applications of the Secura hard seal, and as you can see, comparing it to how it looked before, it's very subtle. It's not glossy at all. You've got a light sheen there, but you may notice that the flooring, the sealant has enhanced the colour of the tile, especially the darker areas of the wood grain effect. So there you go. And I'll just walk around this side. Approximately an hour and a half after the floor has been sealed, it becomes touch dry. So we supply our customers with these blue overshoes. The floor is completely cured in 24 hours, so you can walk on it within a matter of hours, but it becomes completely hard in 24 hours. So there you have it. So if you are looking for a maintenance program specifically designed for luxury vinyl tile, then give ProSteamUK a call or visit our website www.prosteamuk.com.